Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do nails like this. Starting off with 2 coats of Arctic Freeze, curing each coat for 30 seconds, and then getting your ArtForm colors. Here I have white, black, and neon orange, and I'm mixing a little bit of the black with the neon orange to get a brown color. Now, with this brown color, we're only doing a rough sketch, as you can see here. It doesn't all have to match up and look perfect. We're just getting our basic dimensions. And I love using a photo reference, as you can see in the background. That really helps you get exactly what you want to see. Here I'm wiping off the inhibition layer off the white color after curing it, and I find that this really helps you keep your lines tighter and the gels from moving as much as if it were sitting on top of an inhibition layer. Here I'm double checking with my photo reference, making sure that my outline matches up with the photo reference, and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to continue on with my shading, and we're going to go with our medium tones first and then get darker and darker, and then we start getting lighter and lighter. Eventually I will finish with white, but that's usually always my last step, as I like to gradually get to that point. Here you'll see me use a blending brush and a lining brush, and I actually only use 2 brushes to do these nails. Since these nails line up with each other, I find it was really difficult trying to get them to line up, especially that pinky you see me struggling with there. Don't know how you guys do it, but it's very difficult wearing nails this long. I really wanted the finish of these nails to be matte, so I applied the Gelish matte top it off, and later on you'll see it looks shiny right now as I apply it, but once I cure this top coat and wipe it, it's gonna give that nice satin matte finish. When it comes to choosing photo references, I like to choose photos that have high contrast and a very vivid light source, and I try to make sure that the light sources all go together. That way it doesn't throw things off. One of the most important products used in this procedure is going to be the ArtForm gel. I wanted to use a gel that's easy to blend, rich in pigment, and does not move. And this checks all of those boxes. So if you guys want to try some out, you can also use my coupon code.